Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we are going to start with exercise 7.2 with question number 1. Question number 1 state that draw number lines and locate the point on them. So you have to draw this fraction, okay, in a number line. You have to represent this fraction in a number line and you have to locate the point. Okay, very simple thing. You know what is number line. In our last class when we were dealing with the integers, we have represented many integers in a number line. But to represent any fraction in a number line, this is totally a new thing to you all. I know that. So in order to understand this, so we have to represent this 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4, right? So you know that in a number line we have a number starting from 0. Below the 0, if we proceed, we will get the negative value, right? Negative value. And if we proceed forward, we will get the positive integers, isn't it? So this is the actual case. So if I solve question number A, I have to represent 1 by 2, I have to represent 1 by 3, I have to represent 3 by 4, and I have to represent 4 by 4. Okay, before this, let us understand what are this number actually. What are this 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3? What are this fraction considered? These fractions are except this 4 by 4, these fractions are basically considered as proper fraction, isn't it? So those fraction in which numerator are smaller than the denominator, then it is considered as proper fraction. So in proper fraction I have already discussed in the last class also. So if I convert this fraction into, if I divide this 2 by 1, I'll be getting point. Okay, this fraction cannot be converted into the mixed fraction. Okay, so it is 0.5. If I represent this 1 by 2 in a decimal form, it will be expressed in 0.5. If I expressed 1 by 4, then I will be getting, so let me calculate this. So 1 by 2 means 0.5, 1 by 4 means 4 0 is 0, 1.0, 4 2 is 8, then 2, 4 5 is 20. It is 0.25. It is 0.25. So 1 by 4 means it is 0.25. So now if I have to express this 3 by 4 into decimal form, then I will be writing 400, 4 7 is 28, then 2 here, then it is 0.75. So you can see this number 0.5, 0.25, 0.75, and the last number, which is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 can be deducted and can be written as 1. So 0.5, 0.25, 0.75 and 0 and 1. We have to basically represent this number in a number line. Okay, so in order to solve this, let me make a little larger number line, and I'll use only those number which is important here. So if below, you'll get the negative value, right? You'll get the negative value, and if I proceed, I'll get the value which are positive. So now you can see this all are the positive values. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, all are the positive values, but all I have expressed this in decimal form. Now you will come to know why I have done this. So you will see that the number which are represented here, 0.25, 0.7, 0.75, all are the number that comes in between 0 to 1. This number lies in between 0 to 1. So 1 is there, it's okay, 1 is there only. So 1 can be written for 4 by 4. If I write 4 by 4 here, won't it be representing 1? It is representing 1. So that means the number 1 by 2, the fraction 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4, not 4 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4, that comes in between this number only. So which one is the smallest among this? 0.25, then 0.5, then 0.75. Okay, so what comes first? 0.25. So which fraction is actually representing 0.25? 1 by 4. So I can write here 1 by 4. Alright, then I can write 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 means 0.5. 1 by 2 means that is at the center. 1 by 2 means half. So in between 0 to 1, 1 by 2 will be at the center. Okay, so let me make it a little bit here. So this is your 1 by 4, this is your 1 by 2, and the last one, it is 3 by 4, right? So 3 by 4 is actually representing 1 by 4 is actually representing 0.25. Okay, 0.5 is represented by 1 by 2 and 0.75 is represented by 3 by 4. So and 4 by 4 is actually representing 1. So in this manner you will be representing the number. So why I have explained this, because this type of the thing should be understand in this manner. You can understand in this way. So you understood that the number which are given here, the fraction 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, all the numbers exist in between 0 to 1. So you have to express, you have to represent this 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 in between 0 to 1 only. But 4 by 4 is 1, so simply this was a simple thing. You don't have to use such logic for this, but for whenever you are using the proper fraction, whenever you have to locate the proper fraction in number line, then you can do in this manner and solve it. Okay, let's do number B now. Okay, similarly in number B also we have 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. So all you can see, all the numerators are smaller compared to the denominator, right? All are having greater denominator compared to the numerator. So in this case also I would like to convert this into decimal form, right? And then we can get the number where to represent actually. Okay, so this is our number line. All the numbers are positive numbers, so it will be represented above, that is towards the right hand side only. So let us first of all convert this 1 by 8 into the decimal form. 1 by 8 means 0 is 1, 8 1 is 8, it is 2, 8 2 is 16, so 4, and 0 8 5, it is 0.125. so 1 by 8 means 0.125. 1 by 8 means 0.125. okay, next we have is 2 by 8. 2 by 8 means 2 4s are 8, so 1 by 4 we can write. So for 1 by 4, what we have calculated in the previous sum, it is 0.25, so I can write that directly, 0.25. now 3 by 8, so 3 by 8 I have to express this now. 8 zeros are 0, so 3.823, 8 3s are 24, then 6 here, 8 8 no, not possible, 8 7s are 56, 4 here, 0 8 5. So the value is 0.375. the value is 0.375. 0.375. now the next number which we have is 7 by 8, so let us divide this also. 8 zeros are 0, 0.0, 8 8 is 64, 6, 8 5 is 4, 8 8 is 64, right? So 8 7 is 56 is possible, so 4 0 8 5 is it is 0.87, it is 0.875, yes, 0.875. so we have what we have done, we have converted all this improper fraction into decimal form. Now you tell me which one is the smallest number among this. Of course 0.125. then the greatest after that we have is 0.25, right? then 0.375, then the largest one is 0.875. so let's write according to this only, simple one, right? Simple thing to do. So now after 0 comes is 0.125, which is 1 by 8. let's not write in decimal form, let's write it in a larger form only, that is in a fraction form only. Okay, then we have is 0.25, which is 2 by 8, or you can write 1 by 4 also, not a big deal, anything can be done. Then 3 by 8, then 3 by 8, it is in a systematical order, then it is 7 by 8. Okay, so this is the way of doing. So if we continue doing, you will continuously get it. So this is the number, these are the proper fraction, these are the actual place of the proper fraction which are given in the question, that is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8 is actually located in this places. Okay, so this is the way of doing. All right, so if suppose this is 1 here, then it should be represented as 8 by 8. If suppose the question was 8 by 8 also, then that would be 1. But till here we are not getting any 1, so that means the number exists in between 0 to 1 only. The number which are represented here, the proper fraction, are not above 1. It is in between 0 and 1. Okay, so do not get confused. In this manner you can do it. All right, I hope you have understood the concept. Okay, number C. Now last question is left out, so I want you all to do it as a home assignment. This will be a homework. All right, having any problem, tomorrow again I will be solving this sum again back. Okay, all right then, thank you everyone. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.